Okay guys, look at this parrot or bird. He has this fungus on the beak and on his on his feet. If you can see here. Okay, so now I'll tell you what to do with this kind of case. Here, this is the medication. If you can see, they're showing the same beak and same paws. Okay, he's trying to bite me so badly. Okay, I'll show you now what you need. You need cotton buds and you need this medicine away from the cats. No, Shadow. Shadow, no, baby. He's already scared. Okay, so this is how you put on this one. And then you put, be careful from the eyes. Just put on this part. Here. See, he has down also. Like this. And on his feet. No, Shadow. And just rub on the feet. This you have to do in all days. One day you do it and one day you don't do it. For 4 times. So this is the second time I'm doing. And he looks much better. Show what she's doing. Coming closer. Okay, like this. Okay. And that's it. I'll put him back in the cage.